Hello, hi dear students. Now we are going to deal some of the very important basic aspects of mathematics. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. I have taken an example here 2 power 5. Right. So look here, this 2 power 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means what? Multiply 2 simultaneously 5 times. 3 power 4. What is the meaning of 3 power 4? Is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply 3 successively. How many times? 4 times. 5 square. What is the meaning of 5 square? 5 into 5. That means multiplied 5 successively 2 times anta, right? Similarly 2 power n, what is the meaning of 2 power n? Multiply 2 successively how many times? N times. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 so on into 2 how many times? N times. For example, if I write a power x, what is the meaning of this a power x? This is nothing but multiply a successively or multiply a repeatedly how many times? X times. This can be written as a into a so on into a how many times here? X times. So now all these 2 power 5, 3 power 4, 5 power 2, 2 power m, a power x, the quantities are the numbers which are in the form of 2 power 5, 3 power 4, 5 power 2, 2 power n, in general a power x, all we call it as index form anta karitheve. What we call it as index form. Agar index form is nothing but the process of raising the power. What is the power here? 5. The power is 4. The power is 2. The power is n. The power is what? X. The process of raising the power to the given number is called as index form anta karitheve. Hagadre the term this number 2, this 3, this 5, this a, this 2 is called as base of a quantity anta karitheve. What we call it as base. And this 5, this 4, this 2 and this n, this x, we call it as power or index or exponent anta karkota idivi. What we call it as exponent. Agare tumba important ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬೇಸ್ 2 ಇರಬಹುದು, 3 ಇರಬಹುದು, 5 ಇರಬಹುದು, a ಇರಬಹುದು, 2 ಇರಬಹುದು. That base should not be equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ exponent or power may be any number, any real number ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, but base must be any real number but should not be equal to 0. Now the topic name is theory of indices. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ theory of indices ಅಂದ್ರೆ. What is the meaning of theory of indices? An expression are the numbers of the form, a power x are called as index form. In this index form, this a is called as base and should not be equal to 0, and this x is called as power or index or nothing but what? Exponent anta karkota idivi. Hagadre define ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What is the meaning of a power x? This means a power x is nothing but raising the power x to the given number is what? A. Nothing but multiply a successively or repeatedly how many times? X times. That is nothing but a into a into a into a into a so on into a how many times here? X times. So this is the definition of the index form. That means the process of raising the power to the given number is called as index form. In general, index form are of the form a power x, which means multiply a successively how many times? X time, where a is called as base but should not be equal to 0, and the power x is called as power or index or exponent. This is what a little just introduction about the indexed form. So let us know about some basic properties of indexed form in the next class. Okay, thank you.